Cash Giraffe's Rewards Vault can fail to open when the app has a connection problem, an outdated app session, or a temporary loading error. The fastest fix is to check your connection first, then restart Cash Giraffe before changing anything else. By the end, you'll know the practical steps to get the Rewards Vault working again on Android or iPhone without risking your account or earned rewards. Start by completely closing Cash Giraffe app. Don't just leave the app running in the background. Open your phone's recent app screen, swipe Cash Giraffe away, and launch it again. If the Rewards Vault still does not open, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try opening the vault again. If other parts of Cash Giraffe load normally, but the vault does not, the problem may be limited to that feature rather than your entire account. Next, check whether Cash Giraffe has an available update. Open Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Cash Giraffe, and look for an update button. Install the available update and reopen the app. On Android, clearing Cash Giraffe's cache can also help when a stored temporary file is causing the vault to load incorrectly. Go to Settings, Open Apps, select Cash Giraffe, choose Storage or Storage and Cache, and use Clear Cache. Avoid choosing Clear Data unless you understand that it can remove locally stored app information. On iPhone, there is no standard Clear Cache button for individual apps. If restarting and updating Cash Giraffe does not fix the vault, you can use the app's available account options before considering a reinstall. Also check whether Cash Giraffe is working normally in other sections. If games, rewards, or your account information are also failing to load, the issue may be broader than the Rewards Vault. If the vault remains unavailable after these steps, avoid repeatedly tapping the reward or cash out options. Instead, use Cash Giraffe's support option and report that the Rewards Vault is not opening. Include your device type, operating system version, and what happens when you tap the vault. So the key fixes are simple. Restart Cash Giraffe, test your connection, update the app, and clear the Android cache when appropriate. Your next step is to try those fixes in that order before reinstalling the app or contacting support. If this fixed your Rewards Vault problem, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe troubleshooting guides.